Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to take you through a little bit of how all the scheduling is done for you if you're a Pacific franchise owner. So the goal of our franchise system is that you don't need to do any paperwork, advertising, phone calls, or scheduling. We want you to focus on the field work. So let me show you a little bit of the back-end system. Hey guys, my name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers, and in today's video I'm going to take you through a little bit of what the back end looks like if you were a Pacific franchise owner. So, we built our franchise system knowing that you guys are out in the field working every day. It's really hard to find the time or the patience to deal with any of the back end stuff such as scheduling or talking to customers or anything like that. When you're out in the field, replacing a manifold, doing a renovation, doing a repair, it's really hard to answer the phone, schedule, remember all this stuff, and actually do the right work at the same time. So we look to take away those headaches for you guys by doing everything on the back end. So this is just a quick example of what a calendar schedule looks like for one of our franchise owners. As you can see here, this was from an October screenshot here. The schedule is completely filled with customers. Now, the important thing to understand is that this franchise owner did not speak to one customer on the phone, did not have to build a website, did not have to reschedule an appointment, did not have to send any messages online. The franchise owner did not have to do anything to get these customers on the schedule except actually complete the good work when he goes there and on site and everything. So we do everything on the back end. This example here also shows something that we do called pre-scheduling. So any of you guys that have been doing this for a while, you know that, come the springtime, if you're in the northeast, you got to get as many customers done as fast as possible. So we don't want to waste any time for you. We want you to come out swinging as soon as April or late March hits. So we pre-schedule and we fill your calendar with all these customers, confirmed appointments, before you even do anything. So you're getting ready for the spring, you're still stocking your trucks, you're still, maybe training some guys, you're still, getting your trucks ready, stuff like that. You don't have to do any scheduling. All that stuff is being handled basically while you're sleeping or while you're doing other things by our team to get you fully packed. Basically, the goal is to get you as much money as possible. So there's a lot of work in getting these customers on your schedule and then, retaining those customers over time. So each of these customers that came in, our system and our office saves all of their contact info. It saves all of their work history, so any repairs you made there, anything like that. It saves all of the estimates you gave, any proposals, any notes of that client calling the office, any complaints they had, any requests they had, how much money they spent with you. Any piece of information you could imagine, we save it all in our system. You do not need to touch any of that. You do not need to remember their address or their phone number or who they are or what you told them last time. Everything gets saved in our system. Again, the point is that we want you guys to be able to focus on the field work and not have to deal with all this. This is a pain. It's really hard. We have like 40 people doing this all day long so that you don't have to. So that's really just a quick overview, really quick overview of our scheduling. Obviously, we do all the advertising to actually bring these customers in. We do all the payment processing once they give you a payment. So there's a lot to this, but this is just a quick example of what you would see if you were a Pacific franchise owner. Hopefully your schedule is filled with as many customers as this is, and hopefully you didn't have to make any phone calls.